this YouTube channel again, and this is the voice of Anonymous Coach. And if you are joining this channel for the first time, I would like you to do what? Click on your notification bell, subscribe to this channel, also click on your notification bell so that whenever we drop relevant update you'll be notified. And please, this channel, we do top the analysis on Sunday and we also review it during the week on Wednesday, so please try and subscribe so that I can get relevant update. All right, so let's go. So in this today we are going to be looking at what's our bias on SAUSUD, that's gold. So we are on our daily time frame. This is what you do, you analyze. This is what we do. And you can also join our Telegram group and for live signal or what have you, or tutorial or this thing. All right, so let's go. So you draw our horizontal line. This is the ISI, so the resistance, you draw your resistance. Okay, all right, and draw your support. So our support is here. Draw your resistance and support on the daily time frame. Okay, so that's what we do. Yeah, so first you come to the daily time frame, so that's what we are doing now. Drawing our support and resistance and our support. Okay, so once we have done that, okay, that's our support. Let's pick yellow. Let's pick yellow for our support. Okay, let's pick yellow for our support. All right, good. So let's just okay, let's pick yellow. So what we'll do, go to our 4 hours. So once we go to our 4 hours, we can see that the market is now on a uptrend. Okay, so what do? You pick your line, your break of structure. Pick your break of structure. So which move started this? You can see it from this origin is what started this move, and we have a fair value gap over here. Coming, expand it. We have a fair value gap here. So let's draw the line. Our fair value gap is around here, and also fair value gap is around here. Okay, and we have our OB, which is what? Let's pick another block from here. Okay, so let's be using this color for the other block. All right, so let's delete. We are going to delete this part so that our chart doesn't look too complicated. Okay, so all right, so what we do now is that let's go to 2 hours and see. All right, good. So we have a liquidity point on this place. Is our fair value gap. So we are looking at, let's go to 1 hour. Okay, all right, so guys, so this will be our bias. Okay, so let's see if market touches this place, so we'll pick it up. Okay, and if it goes against it, then it means that our setup is invalid. So you take your marker here and you draw it. So let's pick, this is where market is still going to touch, so let's pick it from here, taking it up. All right guys, so pick it to this zone. Okay, this is where we are looking at for SAUSD. So these are bias so far for SAUSD, sorry. Okay, so our bias is here. Looking at our bias, oh no, so this will be our bias for SAUSD. Okay, so please let's take note of that for SAUSD. Okay, all right, I hope you can see it. So this is it. So that's our bias, from here. Let's see how market will go. We can also, we are still going to this resistance, but for now we'll be picking it up to this 1 ratio. It's 1 ratio, almost going to 6. So at least with this we can make money from the market. All right guys, so let's go to GJ. So we are looking at DJ also. So we're coming to the daily time frame. So what is the market saying? What is the market saying? So come to our DJ. We have let's say, okay, sorry, we have this. All right guys, so let's go. So we have this. DJ is saying, so our daily time frame. Okay, so we can see this is the last break of structure, that we can say. Okay, this one is is a re-break of structure which has not. Is there any fair value gap here? Seeing a fair value gap around here. There's another one here. So we have 2 places we'll be watching for DJ. Okay, so we can look at here daily time frame, and you can also take a look at this place for our buy setup. Okay, so these are 2 places we will set our trap so that we can pick our buy. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours and see what the market is doing. All right, so in 4 hours we have this. Wow, okay, good. So in 4 hours we have this, though the market hasn't really shown a valid break of structure. Okay guys, so what do we do? So there are 2 places we'll be looking at. Let's go to 1 hour and see what the market is really doing. Okay, so for 1 hour, okay, for 1 hour we can see that the market is, okay, we can see that the market, okay, so there's still going to be a drop. So what do we do? The best thing we can do here is that we can take our point from here. Let's see, okay, yeah. So is there any fair value gap around? No, this has been filled. Okay, so okay, let's just draw our line in this place. This is a zone we'll be watching. Let's watch it. If it breaks this zone, then we will take it down. They will pick, we have a buy zone here. We also have a buy zone on this 4 hours too. There's a 4 hours buy zone here, and there is one here. So if this doesn't validate, if it breaks down, it means we're going to buy downward and sell downward, then we can buy back to the top. Okay, so but this is a point where we'll be looking at. So let's go to our 15 minutes and see. Okay, so we can bring it down here. Yes, we can bring it down here. So this is the next place we are looking to buy DJ our man. So all right guys, so this perfect place for we to buy. So you take your buy setup from here. Your buy setup is going to be here. Okay, and we are taking it up. All right, taking it up. Okay, taking it up to this zone. Okay, taking it up to this zone. Okay, all right guys, so these are set up for DJ, our man DJ on 15 minutes time frame. So please let's look at it. We are going to be reviewing it later if market come to this zone. Okay, all right guys, so that is for DJ, and the last one we'll be looking at is US 30. okay, that is all the 30 companies in the United States. We also trade that too. So let's go to the daily time frame and see what market is trying to say. Okay, so we have this, okay, fine, good, wow. All right guys, so you take your marker, there's a break of structure here, even though the market has gone down beyond it. Okay, there's one here and there's a break of structure here. So I think it was this one, this particular one, that, yes, that liquidity is what market respected and started buying from there. So let's say we can put our, all right guys, so just here, and this is where looking at market to reach. Okay, so our next buyer. So look at 4 hours. What is 4 hours saying? Oh good, 4 hours has shown us a change of structure. It was this place it started moving, move and up. So there's a break of structure in this 4 hours time frame, so we pick it. All right, good. So the next point of action is this place. Okay guys, so let's draw our marker. So this is where we are picking it. So for US 30, this is what these are buyers. Okay, these are buyers for US 30. This is our buyers, this is our buyers. Okay guys, this is our buyers. So going to be drawing. Okay guys, so from here we have to, depending on what market does. So 4 hours, wow, let's keep going down. So for 4 hours, that's a place we watch the market to reach. In 2 hours, let's say 1 hour, there's a little break of structure here, small break of structure, and this is also our zone. So let's see 15 minutes. Okay, all right, so if market doesn't start buying from here, then we know that we sell. Once it break here, we sell downward. Okay, so let's envisage the market to buy from here. Okay, so that is our buyers on US 30. Okay, that is our buyers on US 30. That's one of our buyers. Okay, then we can also look at this zone. Also can look at this zone. We can also look at this zone, this particular zone. We can look at it, this zone too. Case market gets to that, breaks that, maybe that place serve as liquidity, so we'll be looking at to take this up. So for these are buyers on US 30. Okay, so all right guys, so this is our buyers for this week. So let's see where market gets to. So we'll also meet in our next class. Okay, so please, you can also, we do live one-on-one tutorials, and maybe you have a join our Telegram channel, and also we run classes throughout the year. Okay, all right, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.